This talks about the ratio of unsaturated and saturated fat. One may just wonder that there is no column for unsaturated fat, but think if there is total fat and one part is saturated, what can be the other one? It has to be unsaturated. So the ratio of saturated versus total, if wherever this ratio is the highest, saturated upon total, wherever this is highest, the ratio of unsaturated would be the lowest. Okay, so let's simply find out this ratio. Wherever this is the lowest, the ratio of unsaturated versus saturated would be the highest. So here this is roughly 11%. Let's first figure out what it is for safflower. Safflower oil is here. Here this ratio is 13.8. 0.8 out of this. That is roughly only 6% or so. So let's see if there is any oil for which this value is less than 6%. This is approximately 10. 1.3 upon 13 is again approximately 10. 13.6. So 12 upon 14 is approximately 8. This is close, but yeah, this is more than 10. This is around 15. This is way higher. This is around, this is more than 20 in fact. This is again around 15. 1.3 upon 13.6 is approximately 10. This is also more than 10 in fact. This is also 10. This is around 14, 15. This is also 14, 15. 15 upon 11 is approximately 7. This is more than 7 here. 6.7 upon 13.6. And this is huge. This is like 50%. This is 70%. Yeah. This is 15, 17%. 0.8 upon approximately 14. Yeah, this is the same value here, 6%. This is almost 20%. This is good, more than 15%. This is also more than 10% easily. This is good. 0.9 upon 13 is approximately 7%. Close, but definitely more than 6. This is approximately 9% or so. So yes, it took me a while to do it, but yes, some once in a while you have to just do it manually. There is no shortcut. So yes is the right answer here. Come to the second part here. Let me delete this. For avoiding saturated fats, coconut oil is the least preferred option. So coconut oil, saturated fats happens to be the highest here, 11.8. So this saves time for whatever extra time we spent here. This was yes, this is also yes. Lower calories in a type of cooking oil does not necessarily mean lower fat content. So let's sort it by calories, and we see that yes, while as this is increasing, it's not that this is also increasing. There is no correlation. In fact, the total fat content also, this would be more appropriate, I'm sorry. So while this is increasing, it's not that this is consistently decreasing. We have a 14.7 here when the calorie value is lower, and as low down here while the calorie value has quite increased, the total fat value has decreased. So there's no relation. This means that yes, lower calories does not necessarily mean lower fat content. So this statement is also correct.